Hi everyone, today we are in Module 1 of Level F. This is Lesson 1, so turn to page 1 and follow along to take notes. So, modeling numbers using base 10 pieces. This is review. A lot of this module, most of this module is actually review to get you prepared for the other modules coming up. So when we look at this, here are our base 10 pieces. Remember, this is a tens rod. So this represents 10. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40. So we would write 40 right here. And then these pieces are ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what number is modeled? We have 40 plus 7. So this is 47. Okay, here we have what number would you write in the ones place? And then in the tens and the hundreds. So here's the ones, here's the tens, here's the hundreds. Ones place is 1, 2. And then how many tens do we have? Remember, each of these is worth 10, but when we count it and put the number in the tens place, we would count how many tens there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, which represents 60. And then how many hundreds are there? Well, there's just 100. So the ones place is a 2, the tens place is a 6, and the ones place is a 1. So the number is 162. Here we go. How many ones blocks are shown? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 ones blocks. And then how many ones blocks are equivalent to one tens rod? Well, a tens rod equals 10 ones. So that means that we could take 10 of these and make a tens rod. So if we cross out 10 of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we'll move that all over to the tens to make a tens rod. So then we would have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So that is the number modeled. This says how many tens rods are shown. Well, let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 tens rods. Well, how many tens rods are equivalent to 100? Well, 10 times 10 is 100, so 10 of them. So that would be all of those. So we would need 10 tens rods to make 100. So we know that that is 100. Then we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then we have 1, 2, 3. So if we add up all of those, we get 153. All right, what you're going to do now is complete page 3 on your own. Good luck.